Today's video regarding HP DeskJet Plus 4100 series printer. I'm going to show you how to do the setup of this printer using your Windows 10 computer with the USB cable. So we are not going to use the Wi-Fi network, and the USB cable is this cable which you can buy from any store, computer store, and then one end will go to your printer and the other end is like a USB which goes to your computer. So just connect both of them, and once we connect them, now go to the Windows computer. Now we have to download the HP Smart app from the App Store. Now next thing is to add the printer. So you see here there is an add printer button, also a plus button. So you just click any one and wait for the printer to appear. So here we can see on the next screen, DeskJet Plus 4100 series online USB 002. So we just simply click on that. Now if you want, you can join for the instant ink, or you can just skip it and click on the continue button. Enter the postcode and click on the continue button. And here we can just check if it is connected properly or not. So click on the print button. So meanwhile the printer is going to print. We'll complete the setup as well. And on this screen we have to just select our printer 4100 series and click on the print button. And here we should be able to see our printer soon. So here is our printer. That means it is connected for the printing and scanning. And here is the welcome sheet. Thanks for watching.